Hi guys, welcome back to PSR Tech Solution channel. I will tell you simple steps to split full name and using first name and last name. So I will tell you without using any formula. So how we can split it? Let's start. Select all the name here and copy and paste in first name and last name. After that, select all the rows from first name and type Ctrl H, find and replace. After that, you can give one space and add star and replace all. Now you can see automatically first name came here. And same thing, you can go last name, select all the rows and Ctrl H, find and replace. So need to remove the first space. You can add the star and add one space and click on the replace all. Now you can see automatically last name came. So without using any formula, so we can split data also using this step. If this video will help you, please like and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get new tricks and formula to use in Excel, which will help lot in if you're working in the Excel sheet. Thank you watching for this video. See you on next video. Thank you so much.